the illumination of means of egress. In general, so all exit paths or corridors, stairs, or passageways or landing must be lighted at all times. So per divisions 8 to 20. So meaning 8, division 8 to 20. So it is comes from the fire codes of the Mm, Division 8 to 20 refers sa specific occupancy division. So, kaning division 8 refers to institutional occupancies, while division 9 to 20 naman includes the institutional, residential, or business. Since ang ano din, lightning must be continuous whenever exit needs to be usable. So, kaning illumination naman must not be less than 10.7 lux. It is the sufficient brightness. So, kaning lux is the brightness on a surface. So, depending on how concentrated or spread out the light is. So, ang nadin ani is the lightning should be arranged so that no part daw kuno sa escape route is left in darkness. Then the source of illumination. So, the exit lighting must comes from reliable source like its public electric services. So emergency powers like batteries or generators must be also provided just in case of power failure. So flashlights or candles are not allowed as substitutes since mao man gud na dayon ang imo ang way or floor padulong ay kanto mag-guide sa imo kung asa ka padulong pa-exit. So dapat lighted na siya all times. And if close, dili siya pwede as substitute. Dapat naatay source of electricity or public electricity supply. So, man siya. For emergency light naman. So, in case of power outage, so emergency light on within 10 seconds. So, must provided light for at least 1.5 hours and should cover stairs, corridors, and exits to guide occupancy. So, kani siya is from kuan daw. So, requirement daw siya for the occupancies such as the mention ko ganina for division 10 to 8 to 20. So, pag napoy blackout, so kailangan mo balik yung suga for within 10 seconds sa kanang illumination na part or sa padrong bitaw sa exit o sa kamagawas or other sa dalan nimo agian. So dapat duration pud anak dayon so at least 1.5 hours for normal lightning. So approved po dapat siya sa mga city or municipal fire. And then so battery naman sa dapat reliable siya so dapat rechargeable storage batteries din and for kuan din siya automatic mo on siya itself during a failure pag wala bitaw mo ba wala yung kuryente automatic on din siya balik bitaw. So always dapat siya ready dayon to kuan restart. No human need this kanang maintenance dapat pod regular pod siya gina-maintain. For exit markings, so signs. So we have here the signs. So exit signs must be clearly marked with visible signs. Every required exit must have a readily visible sign. So non-exits like closet or storage rooms must be labeled not exit to avoid confusion. Signs must be placed clearly with allowed arrows with exit in its immediate um, if the exit is not immediately visible. So kani siyang exit signs daw is dapat mark siya or klaro kay nimo bitaw nga signages na siya nga exit. So if not naman siya exit, so dapat ni nakabutang siya nga to the basements or to asa padulong nga way. So para dili bitaw makakuan siya confusion sa mga tawo moagi. So dapat then ang signs po nga exit is dapat large siya enough para maklaro bitaw sa tao nga kuan mo agi or sa mga tao. So pag kuan naman dili obvious tong ang exit, so dapat napoy direction arrow ka-guide o kung asa padlong. And then yung color naman or context niya is dapat stand out walls or mga din kay para dili bitaw siya mag-blend in or dili bitaw siya wala bitaw para like hayag gyud siya dapat or Must be continuously illuminated. So kailangan higher gid siya per mintilyo ang light ang kaning mga signages. And then the brightness is at least 0.005 lumens or square per square second so of surface. So it is must be visible in dark or under emergency lighting. So kani siya is dapat higher gid siya at least 0.05 ang yang lumens per square centimeter on surface. Dapat po din siya um, kanang the glow in the dark. So hayag dapat siya even if it's dark bitaw. And the sign ang yading sizes at kuan uh, size then sa signs should be at least 150 millimeter high with strokes at least 19 mm wide. So dapat klaro gid dapat siya ang signage na exit. So for existing buildings with illuminated exit 115 millimeter high must be undetermined signs must follow also the stage rule as the state there was. So kan signs is dapat klaro gid kay nimo siya nga word it. So it's kung atong exit. So if or else it was very delikado gid siya sa mga taong magi or in case of emergency. And that's it for my part. Thank you for listening.
So good afternoon, everyone. So let's proceed to the section 10.2.5.13, which is emergency evacuation plan. So A, an emergency evacuation plan shall be posted on strategic and conspicuous location in the building containing the following basic information. So mo dapat ning 12 ka buok atong makita sa emergency evacuation plan. So first is you are here or room number, building marking. Next is fire exit. So makita man nato sa picture. Mo dapat na sila ang atong makita sa emergency evacuation plan. Primary route to exit nearest to the viewer. Secondary route to exit second nearest to the viewer. Fire alarm pull station and annunciator. Fire exit extinguisher or hose cabinet. Emergency light, first aid kit, location if applicable, emergency call station if applicable, 10 is area of safe refuge for high-rise building, 11 is ambulary instruction, and last is in case emergency instruction. So kanita na makita na to there sa emergency evacuation plan. So makita na to there sa picture. Next is B. Drone with a photoluminescent background, luminescence background rather, to be the readable in case of power failure. So this material absorb ambient light and glow in the dark, so ensuring the map remain visible and readable during a power outrage or smoke condition. So next slide, please. C is it shall confirm with standard design format provide in this IRR with the minimum dimension of for small is 215.9 mm times 330.2 mm for small room. And then number two is 450 and 210 millimeter height by 609 and 16 millimeter. Width if a mounted room space is 50 square meter. So 200 250 square meter floor including building lobbies upon entry, elevator lobbies at every floor hallways and corridor in every bend, corner, or every 15-meter interval in case of long hallway. So diri nakabutang ang mga emergency evacuation. So di ba atong makita sa like sa STP ang sa elevator na icon diya kanang ang map sa one building o like may nana bitaw. And three is for um large space. So multiple large map must be posted at entries and assembly point and at a 25-meter interval in vast space like auditorium. So the symbol, icon, logos to be used for marking shall be accordance with NFPA 170 standard for sign and symbols. So standard for fire safety and emergency symbol. So this ensured universal recognition. So anyone regardless of language or familiarity with the building can understand the symbol. And then last is the wall-mounted map shall be oriented to the corresponding pixel for layout as perceived by the viewer. So kani is, di ba na ay map sa emergency map sa layout sa building. So dapat nag-correspond po siya sa actual. So lisod po dili mag same ang kuan. So next slide please. Oh, and that's all. Thank you.